Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to print patterns using nested for loops in Python. So guys, let's go ahead and I will show you the list of patterns that we are going to print. So guys, this is the first pattern, this is second pattern, this is third, and this is last pattern. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss the first pattern. So guys, this is our first pattern, and as we know that we are printing this pattern from right to left. That is not possible. So we will do one thing. We will print from left to right by putting 4 spaces in the first row and then 1 star. And in the second row, we will print 3 spaces and 2 star. And in the next row, we will use 2 spaces and 3 star. And in the fourth row, we will use 1 space and 4 star. And there will be no spaces in the fifth row. So guys, now let me open up the Jupyter notebook. Guys, let's use nesting of for loops. Initially, when the value of I will be 0, then it will go to the for loop of j. So value of j will be 4 because the value of I is 0. So 4 minus 0 will be 0. So it will print first space, and then the value of j will be decremented by 1. So the value of j will be 3, and then it will print another space. So we can say that this time the j loop will print 4 spaces. And now we are going to print only 1 star. That will be done with the help of this k loop. So for k in range, and we will start this k loop by 1, and it will print until this condition is true. So it will print only 1 star because the value of I is 0. So 1 and 2. So it will print only one value, and that will be 1 star. And after that, this print statement will transfer the control to the new line, and then value of I will be incremented. So the value of I will be 1. So guys, now if I run this script, output will be like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, if I print here, let's say the value of k, and now if I run this script, then output will be like this. Now guys, we are going to print another pattern. So let's make few changes in this program. Sorry. Guys, now output will be like this. So guys, we have changed the value of this I loop here because we need 1 here. So that's why I have changed like this. So I hope it is clear to you. Now guys, we are going to print another pattern. So let's make few changes in this program. And now guys, if I Now guys, if I run this program, output will be like this. I am sorry guys for these noises because dogs are barking outside and I am recording this lecture in night. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.